Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to convert scanned PDF to editable text with OneDrive OCR. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening your Microsoft OneDrive app from your web browser. Head to onedrive.com and sign into your account. This will give you access to all the powerful OCR features that OneDrive offers for document conversion. Wait until the login process finishes and you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. From here, to convert your scanned PDF to editable text, first navigate to the left part menu of your OneDrive dashboard. You'll see the My Files tab there. Click on it and you'll see a list of all the files you have stored within your OneDrive. This is where all your documents, images, and PDFs are organized, making it easy to locate what you need. From here, simply locate the scanned PDF you wish to convert into editable text. Take a moment to browse through your files until you find the right document. Once you've located it, hover your cursor over the file. You'll notice a three-dot icon appears. Go ahead and click on it, and a context menu will pop up with several options. This menu gives you access to various actions you can perform on your file. From the list of options that appears, select Preview. This will open your scanned PDF in a preview window, allowing you to see the content before making any changes. The preview mode is helpful because it lets you confirm you have the right file before proceeding with the conversion. Now, look at the top right part of your preview screen. You'll see the Edit button right there. Click on Edit, and here's where the magic happens. OneDrive's built-in OCR technology will automatically recognize the text in your scanned PDF and convert it into an editable format. You'll now be able to edit your scanned PDF as a text document, making changes, corrections, or additions as needed. This feature is incredibly useful for updating old documents, fixing errors, or extracting information from scanned files without having to retype everything manually. Once you're done with the document editing, simply click on Save Changes located on the top left part of your preview screen. Your changes will be saved directly to the file in OneDrive, and you now have a fully editable version of what was once just a scanned image. And that's it. You've successfully converted your scanned PDF into editable text using OneDrive's OCR feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.